Good morning, Mr. Thomas. We missed our FaceTime yesterday, but the show will go on. I'm going to be doing the video tour on the 2022 C8 Stingray 3LT. The Stingray has been equipped with the Z51 Performance Package, and what that includes is forward-facing cameras right here and right here. What this does is lets you record your track times. It has the heavy-duty cooling system, tail sign right here, and also the side vents right here. Also right here. Okay. If we go over it to the wheels, we have flash painted aluminum wheels with machine edging. We have the Z51 branded calipers. And another tail sign, you know, if you have Z51, see this brake dust right here? The regular Corvettes without the Z51 Performance Package do not, they have a coating that prevents that. But when you go on the track, that will be a big issue because of heating. We also have the Michelin Pilot Sport tires that come standard with the Z51 package. We have the Performance Traction Magnetic Ride. I'll show you more of that on the inside. We also have this rear fascia. Performance exhaust. This thing sounds amazing, which I will show in a little bit. Spoiler. Carbon flash painted nacelles. Right on the other Corvettes, this will be body colored, but this is, you know, blacked out. So is the roof. All right, so that's for the exterior. Now let's get to the interior. Keyless entry. Button start. Now, if you notice, something I forgot to cover. If you notice the mirror here, this is not a typical mirror, quote unquote, because it's actually an option that's only on the 2LTs and up. It's from a camera. Right? It's for daily driving, more of a convenience package. There you go, some sound right there, and it can get much, much louder. Okay, here's some interior shots. Now this mode right here will be reflected on the screen. A little bit here. There we go. We got sport mode, track mode, and as annotated, here is for the performance exhaust. If you wanted it, tightens up everything. We don't have anything connected right now. And tour mode, and then we have custom mode as well, where you can edit it. Things of that nature. This car is completely driver focused. As you can see, the passenger will just be sitting, and the driver has all the modes and all that. We got digital dash. Now, this here on the door is what gets the roof going. The C8 Corvette is mid-engined. But they have engine covers over the masterpiece, the LT1 V8. But this is the engine bay. A 3LT, all the seats, leather wrapped dash all the way around, and lastly, Alcantara steering wheel. You got a trunk and a front, so here are the buttons underneath on the driver's side door. Let's do the front. Pretty deep, good for a backpack or maybe a carry-on. It has a 12 volt. Comes with some extra lugs in this box, and battery charger in this box. And then here's the trunk. Also pretty deep.